Hello, my name's Kim Combs. I will be your Students Health Science 1 instructor. I know Meet the Teacher Night looks a little different this year due to COVID, but I just wanted to give you a little information about me and this course, as well as instruction on how to access important information or contact me throughout the semester if you need to. Just a little information about myself. Personally, I am originally from Pennsylvania, but I moved to Cary, North Carolina about 12 years ago. Academically, I completed my bachelor's degree in exercise science at Slippery Rock University in Pennsylvania, and then went on to complete my doctorate in physical therapy from SRU as well. My main clinical rotations took place through the UNC Rex hospital systems, which is what brought me down to North Carolina. I developed an interest in teaching in part from watching my husband. He'll be entering his 12th year at Apex Middle School this year, and he's also the athletic director over there. We have 3 children who are under the age of 4, so you can imagine how busy my life is outside of the classroom. Professionally, I'm a physical therapist, and I've been practicing in the state of North Carolina for 11 years, with experience in the acute care, outpatient, and home care settings. During patient care, I've had the opportunity to collaborate with many different medical professionals, and I really hope that my field experience will help to foster interest in a variety of fields in the healthcare setting for your student. And this is a good segue into information about the Health Science 1 curriculum. So I'm going to change this video over to slide view just so that you can learn a little more about this course. Okay. So this is the Health Science 1 academic and honors course description. Health Science 1 is a foundational course for anyone who's considering a field in healthcare. It is a prerequisite course for Health Science 2 and for Biomed. The course contains information based on state and national content standards. It's standardized material taught across North Carolina schools. This course helps to prepare your student for the healthcare setting, for an occupation in the healthcare setting, and it also helps to infuse technology, especially as we are virtual. Your student will learn structures, functions, and disorders of many of the body systems. Health Science 1 excludes the respiratory and cardiovascular systems. Those are taught in Health Science 2. And it'll also include, they will also learn basic medical terminology, microbiology, anatomy, and physiology. And they'll just get a general overview of different diseases and disorders and their treatments. This course also offers first aid credentialing. Now, for the honors students who are enrolled in this course, they will have the opportunity to complete additional honors projects to receive their honors credit as well. And all of those projects are already listed in the Canvas module for Health Science 1. Just a copy of the course syllabus. Obviously, it's going to be difficult to see, so I just wanted you to know that this syllabus can also be accessed via the course module in Canvas, and it's accessible, viewable to the parent or guardian as well as the student, and then it can be accessed via my personal website, which is linked to Green Hope's main website. Now, you and your student are going to be required not only to read the course syllabus, but to complete the attestation form. And again, there's a link to that form accessed via the parents section of my website, which can be found via accessing the Green Hope website. Just some general classroom expectations of your student. They need to be kind, respectful of others. They need to follow all of the Green Hope High School rules and procedures. It's expected that they do not have any phone or outside sources utilized during tests. And also they need to be present and attentive during our live virtual learning sessions daily as possible. Now the school year is going to look a little different this year, and our live sections are going to be taught via a Google Hangout Meet, which The link can be accessed by the student via the Canvas page. And here's just some general rules and guidelines that they will need to follow. This they'll be able to access from the Canvas site as well, this document. Just a couple general overview for you all as the parents. We expect the students to be participatory during sessions, either asking questions via the chat box, or there's different things that I will have them download, which will allow them to raise their hand. Same etiquette as if we would be in the classroom. I would like them to be polite and respectful, pay attention, and just show that they are participating. Dress code, even though we are not in school, I would like them to wear clothing that is appropriate as if they were coming to school. And with that being said, the camera use is not required by Wake County. However, in efforts to create a more collaborative and inviting classroom setting and allow the students to fully interact with me and their peers, the camera use is going to be encouraged, at least during breakout sessions, but again, it's not required. So they will need to be showing in other ways that they are participatory during our live sessions. This is my contact information. That's my email address, which can also be found on the Wake County website. If you do have any questions or concerns regarding your child, please feel free to email me. Or you can also submit the parent guardian contact form, which there's a link to complete this form under the Parents tab of my personal website. And that's Health Science 1 in a nutshell. Please, again, do not hesitate to reach out to me if you feel the need to discuss any concerns. And I just wanted to close by saying that I really look forward to meeting your student and to teaching them this semester and to helping further facilitate their interest in the healthcare field. I hope you all have a good day and stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.